Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send Salesforce reports to anyone. This is incredibly useful when you need to keep your team updated with regular report data without having to manually send it each time. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to the app launcher and then click on Reports. This is where all your Salesforce reports are stored and managed. Once you're in the Reports section, find and open the specific report you want to automate. This could be a sales pipeline report, a monthly revenue summary, or any other report you've created. Next, look for the drop-down menu on the most right column of the corresponding report and click on it from the options that appear. Select Subscribe. This is the feature that allows you to set up automatic delivery of your report to specific recipients on a schedule you define. Now you'll see the subscription settings page. Under the Schedule section, set your desired frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on how often you want this report sent out. Select the specific days and the start time when you want the report to be delivered. This gives you complete control over when your recipients receive the information. After setting the schedule, click on Attach File. Here you'll have two format options to choose from. Select either formatted report if you want a polished presentation-ready version, or report details if you need the raw data and full breakdown. Once you've made your selection, click Done. The next step is to add your recipients. Click on Edit Recipients to open the recipient selection window. In this window, select Users from the options available. Now type the name of the person you want to receive this report and click Add. You can repeat this process for as many recipients as you need. This ensures everyone who needs this information will receive it automatically. When you're finished adding all recipients, close the Edit Recipients window. Now you'll need to select Run Report As. This determines whose permissions are used when generating the report. You can choose Me to use your own access level or select another user who has the appropriate access to the report data. This is important because it affects what data is visible in the report. If you want to add specific conditions for when the report should be sent, you can optionally set up a condition at this stage. This allows you to trigger the report only when certain criteria are met, giving you even more control over the automation. Finally, click Save to activate your automated report subscription. Your Salesforce report will now be automatically sent to all specified recipients according to the schedule you've set up. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.